I apologize for the delay. Oh, what is the cloth? There, all done. You look beautiful. Now hurry, or you'll be late for school. There, all set. Have a wonderful day at school, my love.
I will, Mama.
He is doing a good job. Yes, the shade under this tree is very welcome today. The harvest looks promising this year.
Yes, the rains came just in time.
We should organize a feast for the village. We must bring the grains to the market before the midday heat.
Fresh vegetables here, finest quality in the village.
If the rains come on time this year, the harvest will be abundant for everyone in the village.
Who wants the first carrot?
Me, please.
Here you go, freshly steamed just for you.
Oh, thank you. They smell wonderful.
We'll have 2 plates as well, please.
I am so hungry after that walk.
The food is almost ready. Try this one.
Yes, it tastes delicious.
These momos are absolutely delicious. You must try the orange sauce.
They really are. I haven't had anything this.
How was school today, my love?
It was very good. We learned about the stars.